Hello guys, in this video we are going to check out the GetFlow app. So first of all go to the agency level and go to the level of marketplace and if the app is not coming then you can search it like GetFlow. So install it. So if you want to install on all the location then install on agency level. Otherwise you can also install on a particular location. So in our case we are going to install on all the locations. So where I allow and then proceed. So after the installation go to the location level and then go to that custom page and configuration, then search it, then click on configure button. So after this you need a API key for it. So first of all create an account on GetFlows. So here I already created it like this. So this is my account. So click there for the API key and go to preferences. So after this you can create a personal access token and give a name to it. So here I create, so this one, then you can copy this and after you copy then go there and paste here and then click on submit button and the credentials are saved. Now you can use this app in the automation in the workflow builder. Thank you.